We have Joe's area over here, and then our couch, and of course, John Adams has a place of honor hanging above. We have a nice picture from our recent engagement, and then when you turn around, you will see the kitchen. So we have this nice bar top, which means that we don't have to have a table. So it pretty much keeps the space open and nice, which I enjoy. And if you come on down this way, you'll see some shelves that we put up. A big shout out to Mama and Papa for hanging up these shelves and helping to make sure that everything was cut and sized appropriately. You'll see I just have some baskets and other little things here from Home Goods. Next, we have this wall hanging covering up our electrical box, which is a good way to mask things. And then, once again, our pretty standard kitchen area, which is the perfect size for us. As we make our way down the hallway, we enter the bathroom, and hello, there I am. You'll see the blue and white theme kind of continues here, and we have this nice wide windowsill where I've been able to store our extra towels. The name of the game is definitely storage around here. You can see we have some space underneath, and then we turn around from there and go into the bedroom. It's beautiful and sunny, and we have these gorgeous high windows, and that really makes up for the lack of light in the other room. When you look outside, there's this courtyard and the quintessential fire escape. We can hear kids playing out there, and although we don't have access, it still is a nice view for us. I have my orchids, which I am desperately trying to keep alive, as well as this little area with a ring dish, a rock from a trip to Turkey, and of course a picture of Joe and I from our engagement. Surprise, surprise. I adore this bedding, especially because I was able to get all the pillows and blanket, the accessories if you will, in one fell swoop, so that made decorating very easy. Then we come over and we have closets, the one closet of the entire apartment, but it has storage on top as well as the main area, so that is something that we really appreciate. When I open it up here, you'll see my side of the closet. It's pretty well divided, and we have that shelving above, and then we have laundry below. The standard stuff that you need. I can't reach up top, so I'm not going to show that to you, but again, just some more space for us to store our belongings. We also have this dresser, and that pretty much covers all of our clothing. Going back to the living room, I did want to show you some more details like our TV stand over there on the left, and once again, the kitchen area / eating zone. And then, especially these shelves, I really enjoyed styling and putting these 3 shelves together. That was like my big thing next to the TV stand. You'll see that there are some nice family photos on there, as well as a fake plant. I've incorporated some fake plants because the lighting is a bit dim, and there's our view. Well, that's the end of the tour. I really thought it was going to be longer, but apparently a 1-bedroom apartment tour in New York doesn't take too long.